If you have ever replaced a level transmitter with remote seals on a tank, you know the problems you may face if the tank can't be emptied to allow you to correct for an elevated or suppressed zero. With today's smart transmitters, this is now an easy thing to do. The transmitter is set up to match the tank level. In this example, the level is 39 inches, so the transmitter is spanned 0 to 39 inches of water. The tank sight glass is showing that the level is 25 inches, but the transmitter is reading 23 inches. By using the manual zero adjust, we can adjust the reading on the transmitter to make it match the sight glass. Notice the left side of the display, the arrows indicating the direction of adjustment.